Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi. Weather in a minute. Sunday, the 10th of August, and day where we'll be probably no worse than partly sunny. And it doesn't look like we're going to see much of in the way of rain this coming week. There's not a whole lot going on with respect to moisture, weather fronts, and so on. Everything seems to be pretty much on the weak side. There's been more continuous showers and downpours occurring along the coastal Carolinas and down into parts of Florida. That's probably going to spread a little further inland into Georgia and South Carolina today. And also, we have what's left of severe weather that moved through overnight in parts of the plains and upper Midwest. But other than that, it really is a rather serene summer scenario, I guess is probably the best way to put it. We are looking at rainfall amounts over the next 7 days, basically under a quarter of an inch, except maybe a little bit more inland, where perhaps later this week, on 1 or 2 days, we could see the chance for some scattered thunderstorms. We're just kind of in this August dog days pattern. Rain will be heavier in the southeast. Rain will also be heavier up in the Great Lakes, but everybody else in between really not showing all that much. I have not said very hardly anything at all about the models and this tropical system that's going to be developing probably out in the Atlantic, mainly because it's the usual nonsense of how models handle these things in the longer term. And until it gets into a place where I can feel confident to say something, at that point, I will say something. But for now, it's just the machinations of stupid social media people that put the stuff up just to get clicks, and I don't do that sort of thing. So here we go. We've got high pressure holding on into tomorrow. Temperatures are going to be going up. We'll be in the middle to even a few upper 80s today, and then starting Monday and going into Wednesday, we'll see temperatures topping out into the 90s. I don't think it's going to go all the way up into the 90s to near 100, but we could eventually get into a range of 90 to 95, especially for Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday is where we could see some scattered showers and thunderstorms as a weather front tries to push on through Wednesday night and to Thursday. The chances for those storms will linger on Thursday, and then it's back to onshore flow and slightly cooler air, but dry for Friday.